Okay, y'all, let me save you some money and some heartbreak. The best time to buy mums isn't October when you're picking out your Halloween candy. Nope, it's right now. Lowe's has a Labor Day sale that's rolling around, and their mums are now two for $8. Do you know what I usually pay in October? I think I paid $16 last year for one. Just one sad, lonely mom in a pot. Now, listen, this is how I found out. I was just casually strolling through the nursery, minding my own business on the phone with my daughter, and I spot this sign, two for $8. I literally stopped mid sentence and I said, hold up, what? Before I could even process my good fortune, this lady parks her buggy right in front of me. I kid you not. Loads up 12 mums in like 10 seconds flat. I swear she looked like she was training for the Mums Olympics. And that's when the FOMO hit me, the fear of missing out. My palms got sweaty, my heart started racing, and before I knew it, I had four gorgeous mums in my cart. Like I was rescuing puppies from the shelter. I mean, how could I not? So trust me on this. Don't wait until October when you'll be standing there, wallet in hand, paying double for half the joy. Get your mums now while the deals are hot before the speedy buggy ladies buy them all up, because nothing says fall is almost here like a porch full of mums you've scored on sale.